Hey, it's Juliet, and today I'm going to do the milk experiment. I'm pretty sure you saw another girl on a different channel do it. I saw it too, and I didn't believe it because sometimes stuff doesn't work and they just edit stuff. So today we're going to try it out for ourselves. And if you're looking at my makeup, don't judge me. I had a big explosion today. So you need for this on the TikTok hack I saw. You need a cup for this, a filming device if you want to film it for a video. And this is food coloring, in case you're wondering. And then, most importantly, you need some milk. So let's get started. You're going to pour the milk into the carton. Ah! Oh my gosh, I forgot a straw. Ah! Please stand by. So once you got your straw, which I forgot to get, you can put away your milk because it's gonna rot out in the refrigerator. So once you put your milk away, sorry if I'm not doing too fast. That's fine. You're going to go over to the sink where your milk with the milk and your straw and food coloring, not the milk. We already had our stuff with the milk. And you're gonna take the milk's straw. And then put it back. And then put the food coloring inside of the straw. Once you got that stuff in, you put it inside of the thing and blow bubbles. Wait. It does work when you blow bubbles. Let's see if the color, let's see if there's color, let's see if it's colored bubbles though. Because what if it's not colored bubbles? Oh my gosh, the bubbles are colored as well. I guess it's true. Now it looks like a humongous volcano eruption. Big fizzy fizz. It's milk bubbles. Well, next time don't doubt unless you try. Thanks for watching. Bye.